Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today, just a little bit about our week. I'm going to show you a few pictures of what we've been doing a little and just kind of catch up. The first of the week, Amanda from Freedom Acres and her daughter Sunshine came in. Had a great time. We've had a lot of little clips here and there, so I'm going to stick a few in here so you can see what went on. Then Tuesday on Danny's birthday, well actually Amanda came in Tuesday, and later his daughter Jennifer, her husband, and son came in. We had them all afternoon. Lori family came over and spent some time with us, and we all had cake and ice cream. It was beautiful. Had a wonderful day. And Amanda stayed a couple more days, and then she darted down to the coast for a little while. And Homestead Mama, Ben and Melissa from Full House Homesteaders came, and we had a blast last night, guys. We just really had a wonderful time. So I'm going to put a few clips of that too. And we did a live stream with Amanda, so go check out the live stream with Freedom Acres. Check out the live stream with Full House Homesteaders with Homestead Mama. And go to both channels. They're both great people, guys, and check them out. I'm going to try and link both channels in the cards above so you can see it in both of the live streams. And guys, we had a blast. So I'm going to give you a little bit of this past week from Crazy Days at Deep South Homestead. Thank you guys from Crazy Days.
What's the secret? Why are you looking at me? We're not supposed to have secrets from Mama.
Yeah, we can have a secret. It's our secret, right?
I'm decorating the cake.
Whose cake is this?
Danny's.
I've been wanting to ask you all day. How old do you think Danny is? Well, that's how old you were. How old do you think he is?
How old am I?
You think he's at least 4?
I'm at least 1 year older than you.
Well, he's older than Mommy.
I think you're this 3-year-old.
She's Chloe.
All right, help her, Danny.
Cute. So soft and adorable. You're so adorable. So adorable. He loves me. Adorable. You love it? I think so. You're so adorable. Oh, there you are. No, silly. That's a flamingo.
That's a bird with long legs.
No, that really is a flamingo.
Really?
Where is the big green frog? It's right there.
Countered.
Where?
So I don't know how to get the wax off of
Is
it.
it wax?
Yes.
Oh, you gotta melt on the what?
Oh, we gotta take a torch and heat it.
Okay, so we're gonna pop these in at 350 for 12 minutes, and then we're gonna have delicious cookies. Oh,
The woman works. She actually irons clothes.
I do iron.